Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Bukkit server for Windows. Well, I have Windows 7, but I think it works on any type of Windows. So anyway, let's get started. So first you want to go to bukkit.org. It's right here. I'll put a link in the description anyway, but it's bukkit.org. And then once you come here, you're gonna go to get Craft Bukkit, and Craft Bukkit's the, like, I don't know, it's like what runs the server pretty much. So now you're gonna, well, I have Windows, so I'm gonna go here, but you can select whatever you have. I don't know how to do it for Linux or Mac, but I just know how to do it for Windows. So we'll click this right here, and it's gonna get the Craft Bukkit recommended build. Mine's not working already. This is like my second time trying to do this video, and it didn't work before, so I was prepared. So I've already downloaded it before, so what you're gonna want to do on your desktop is create a new folder, and I already have one, but so you can call it whatever you want. I'm just calling this Minecraft server. So now what you want to do when you have this, when you get your Minecraft server, you want to save your Craft Bukkit into here. And now, so that text right here, this is what you use to run your server. It will just say like text document or whatever, and I'm just gonna rename it as run. And the reason why I'll show you why it has .bat at the end of the second, but so it should say run or start or whatever you want to call it, and it doesn't even matter. You can say like hot dogs or food, and if you click on it, it doesn't matter then. But anyway, so what you're gonna do in here, as you can see, I already have that text in there. So what you want to do when you come back to this, to bukkit.org, where you set up the server, there's a little text here. So what you want to do is you can copy this, and then you come in here, paste, and you have it there, and then you want to go save, and you're gonna want to change this to a .bat file, a batch file, Windows batch file. So you normally, well, as you can see right now, it doesn't. Sometimes if you already have this on your desktop or whatever computer you're on, it would say what it is, like if it's a text document, so yours might say whatever you name this .txt, which means it's a text file. So if it already says that, you're just gonna want to change the .txt to .bat. But if you don't, what you're gonna want to do is go to your start icon, which is usually at the bottom left here. But this is a monitor connected to my laptop, so I'm only recording one side of it, so I'm gonna just go over the start thing. And then you're gonna open the control panel. It's like so you click start, and it's like around here. And then along this right side of the bar, it should say control panel. Well, another way to do this is if you just go to computer, and then open control panel. That's another way to do it. And then what you're gonna want to do is you go to folder options, and then just open on my other thing. But you go here, and then you're gonna want to go to view, and then you go right here where it says hide extensions for known file types. You're gonna want to uncheck that. So, oops. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. I'll just. Alright, so then you wanna, after you uncheck that, you gotta hit apply, so it applies to it, and then OK. And then you can exit out of the control panel. So now when you go back to your Minecraft server folder, it will, like right here, the Craft Bukkit's a jar file, so it says .jar at the end, and then run text file, so it says .txt at the end. So what you're gonna want to do is change the .txt to .bat, just like this right here. And then if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it, click yes, that's fine, and then you'll see the icon change there to two little like gears. So then when you click on this, this will pop up. It'll say whatever this loading libraries. Says what's in the text thing right here, and then this is gonna load up your server, and as you can see, stuff is starting to come in here. So now if you go to well, does not exist. Oh, this is why. So if this happens, you need to it says you need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. Go to EULA.text for more info. So press any key to continue. Obviously you can press any key. So this will come in and it says EULA equals false. You want to change this to true. And this is how you want to, this is how your server runs. So you click save. And you don't want to delete this because every time you do, pretty sure it'll just come back and keep asking you to do that. So that's the only way your server is going to run now. It didn't do that before, but now it does. So then this is going to pop up again, and then this should load now. The first time I did this, I got confused because I did it prior to that and it worked fine. So yeah, see now it's loading, and there is a lot of like blogs, plugins, all this other stuff is is generating in the folder. And then this, you just want to let it load. I'm just gonna start the Minecraft thing now. But this is gonna load, and then once it says done, which, oh, my computer's kind of slow, but it'll eventually say done, which is when you want to, yeah, right here. When it says done, that's how you know it's done loading. So then when you open your Minecraft, just want to start that up. Probably should have had this running, but yeah. So, oh yeah, so this is I forget what they call it, but you can type commands in here, like if you want to say something to other people on your server, you can do say and then whatever you want to say, and then when you're in game, well, it will pretty much say this, but this is like purple or something, I think. And then so if you go to multiplayer and do direct connect, and you do local host, I believe there's no spaces. And this works if you're connected to the internet Ethernet cable, I think it's called, yeah. So it says I joined the game, so yeah. So hold on, if you go back to this and then you do same thing that you just said, say whatever, and you come back here, see, you can say, it says server and then the stuff. And then another thing you can do, there's two ways to do this. So to opt people, you can either come in here and manually type in or you can just type in the, well, I have it with Notepad. I opened this with Notepad, so you would type the name. So if my name was on Minecraft was like Jeff, then you would hit save. Well, obviously it's not that, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna do, so there's also another way to do that. If you open the console right here and you type and then this is my name right here, and then you do that and it says Atomic Fire Gas, which is my name. So now I believe if you come in to ops now, where is it? Right here. I think, yeah, so now it shows name, it says UUID, all that, name, atomic fire gas, level 4, just, if you want to do, I believe you cannot opt people if they're not in the game. So if you wanted to, if your friend's name was Jeff, off Jeff. Oh, it still works, but so now come into here, and now this person's here, but I don't want that person because it's not a real person. Well, it might be, but what am I doing? Just gonna delete that. Save. So obviously you're not gonna want to do this to me unless I'm on your server, but you're gonna want to do this to you, and if your friends are coming on and you want them to like be on the server with you, then you offer them. And then there's also stuff right here, so you can do like server properties. So and then the MOTD. So like if you go back to here and disconnect, for example, Mineplex, or actually, yeah, it says it right here, a Minecraft server. So if I go to back to the server folder and I go back to server.properties and I change the MOTD to, let's say, let's do this, and let's say hi people. I don't know. You can type whatever you want in here, and then I'm just doing this so it looks cool. So you do this, save, exit out of here, and then I don't know if it shows up. Yeah, it doesn't show right away. So if you reload the server, you can also do this in game. So if you do reload, that was quick, but usually, yeah. If you have a lot of plugins, oops, I think you can hear that music, sorry. If you have a lot of plugins, it takes a while to load. Like on my other server, I have tons of plugins, so it takes a long time to load. So once you do that, you minimize it, and then I believe if you refresh it, yeah, see it says hi people, which is exactly what I typed in the folder. And if I join here, then this is your Minecraft server. So if you're going to want other people to play in this, you have to either have Hamachi, or you have to port forward this. And I could also I could show you how to port forward this in another video, but I'm not going to do that now. But anyway, this is how you make a Minecraft server. So yeah, so have fun with this. You can also get plugins, which are basically a little kind of like mods, but you don't have to have everyone download them. Like, yeah, so if you just download them, put them in your plugins folder, and then it'll be a .jar file, and then you run the server, and then a folder will pop up. There's a config for it. You can edit it, do whatever you want with the plugins. You can even make your own, but I'm not into that. It's kind of hard. So you do that, and then I can show you my other server for an example of some plugins that I have. So plugins are just kind of cool tweaks. So let me alright, this is important. I believe, so you don't want to X out of this to stop the server. So you want to type stop and enter, and then it stops it and saves it, and then it's already stopped, and then you just press any key to continue, so you press any key obviously. So I'm just going to open my other server that I have. Yeah. Sorry. I have a lot of plugins, so it takes a while to load. And my computer's kind of old and slow, so it takes a while. But yeah, so this folder's text thing is still here, so you don't want to delete that. That's just gonna, you're gonna have to keep doing that, like I said earlier. But yeah, now it's starting to load, and it's loading all the different plugins I have. Yeah, you can see, and it's gonna take a long while because I have Multiverse is a great plugin, by the way. So I have that, and you can have different worlds. As you can see, there's like other worlds coming in here. So that's why it's also taking a while to load. But yeah, there's many different plugins that you can get, and they're really fun. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load. Alright, so sorry about that. So now this is done loading. It says done. This is all the other plugins I have. So if you have more plugins, it will say stuff at the bottom. Usually it just says done at the bottom, but no. But I have a ton of plugins, so yeah. So now I did that. This is my MOTD thing that I typed in. So I go in here. I'm gonna thing and this is kind of weird. Alright, so. So button warp is a cool plugin. You can have different warps and stuff, and it's pretty cool actually. This is my spawn, so you can have, so right here, see how it says parkour, you can press this, you can step on this, and then you can go into new worlds or anywhere in the world. This is actually a server world, but there's one called Citizens. I don't know why this does not look like Notch, but you can create people. You can have, well, this isn't a plugin, but we just made some stuff. Another very cool plugin is I'll show you in a second. It's called Chest Shop. Yeah, it's a pretty cool shop, so you need some kind of economy plugin to use it. It's a pretty cool shop, so basically how it works, well, I have Fey Economy, which is a free economy plugin, so you can edit what the currency is and how much you get, and I also have a jobs plugin so you can get money for mining, wood cutting, stuff like that, different jobs. So what you want to do, if you want to create I'm just going to do a little quick tutorial on this. So if you want to sell, for example, coal, because it's right here, you type admin shop at the top, and then you do the amount of coal that you're selling, and then you do B for buy the amount you want to buy for, colon S for sell, and then the amount you want to sell for. And then you can either type the name of it, I'm pretty sure, or the ID. Oh, and just make sure these are capitals, but you want to type the ID or name, and the way to get the IDs, you can see how it says Netherrack, and then it says the ID number 008787, parentheses there, and then under here it says Minecraft colon Netherrack. After the Minecraft colon, that's what you would type, or you type the ID for that. The way, just to show you how to do that, you'd press F3 and H at the same time. So that might come up, and then, as you can see, oh, it's still there. It might take a couple times. You have to do it at the exact same time. So see, now it's not there, it just says plain Netherrack. And then if I press F3 and H again, yeah, see, it's back there. And that's a good way to get item ideas. So that's just a brief tutorial on that, just for an example for a fun plugin to get. Pretty helpful. So that is how you make create a Minecraft server. And I'm going to add the Hamachi part onto the end of this video. How to, just to show you how your friends can connect to it with Hamachi. Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you that. So what you want to do for that, I'm just gonna save this. So I'm just gonna do this. My server, I believe, is stopped, so you just want to press any key. Okay, so now it shouldn't be running. Yeah, I can't connect the server, so now that's not running. So what you want to do for Hamachi, this is what it is. The icon is log. It's like a circle with circles in it. It's blue. It says log me in Hamachi. That's what it's called. So if you open it, this will come up, and it's like it's a networking thing. So create a network, join existing network. I created one for my server, and I have some other people in it. Anyway, so what you want to do to create the or to use Hamachi pretty much is you want to go to one second. I'll put the link in the description. I just gotta find it. So 1 second. Sorry about this. Okay, so here is I don't know if you can see it there, just to get the link. So if I go, I'm just gonna copy this. So if you come up to Internet Explorer, whatever browser you have, you have a new tab right here, and then I'm just gonna paste the link here. I'll put the link in the description. So when you come to here, choose any mode. Choose a mode, any mode, whatever. You want to get the unmanaged version. I don't know what the difference is, but so you want to get the unmanaged version. So you do download. You have to check off this box. Download this. I already have it downloaded, but you go through the setup. You can create a desktop icon, which is pretty helpful. I think it usually opens automatically when your laptop, computer, whatever desktop turns on. And then right here, what you're gonna want to do is you create a network, and you do the network ID, which could be like hello. Yeah, hello. And you create a password. For an example, I could do like XX. No, I can do like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I could do like, I don't know, any password. I'll just do hello 1, 2, 3, 4. You confirm the password. Hello 1, 2, 3, 4. And you create this, and then it's already been taken. Do hello 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Create. Already been taken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do hello dot 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Already been taken. Okay. Do dot at the end. I don't know. Just think of something. You just have to make sure it's not good with anything. So this is the thing right here. So for people to join it, you want to go to join an existing network, and the way to do this would you type in the ID. So dot hello dot 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot, and then password. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm already a member of it, but that's how other people would join. So yeah. So that's pretty much how you do that, and then they can join. Yeah. So you can tell your friends the password, network username and password or whatever. And then that's how that works. So then you do that, and then right here at the top it says your IP thing, and this is what you want to use. Oh, you have to make sure this is off too. It says, on. So you click this thing. It says offline there. And this is the IP right here. You can even copy this. And then when you go, oh man, it closed Minecraft. But if you want to do direct connect or save the server or add it, you can. That's the IP you would want to add there. So yeah, that's pretty much how you make a Minecraft server. So have fun with it. I'm gonna do a tutorial on port forwarding. It's not really working on my laptop, so I use Hamachi, but I don't know why, but I think it's because my router's having problems. But I can show you how to do that, and then anyone can join just by using the IP. And the way to find out your IP is like whatismyip.com or something like that to find the external IP, because when you do IP config in the command or the run command file thing, it only shows your internal IP, which is how you would connect to it, not people that are not connected to your internet. So I'll do another tutorial on that, and then so this is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this helped you out. Have fun with it, get plugins, do whatever you want with it. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start doing some videos pretty much weekly, not next week though, cause I'm not gonna be here. I'm going on vacation, so I'll be back 2 weeks. So yeah, so that's when my next video will be up. And if you subscribe, you can see it next time. So 2 weeks. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Bye.